We need to change the batteries in this Kwikset SmartCode electronic deadbolt because the batteries are dead. The first thing we need to do is remove 2 screws. There's one on each side of this cover. Now we will slide this cover plate up. With the cover plate up, we can now remove the battery compartment. Now we'll just change these batteries and put it back in. Okay, so we will remove the dead batteries. We will put in the new ones. When we slide the battery compartment back in, there's a nice stamp which tells us exactly how to slide it in. Now we can slide the cover plate back on. And now we can replace the 2 Phillips head screws that hold the cover plate on. Before we close the door, we can check to make sure it works, and it does. And our door is now fixed.
Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.